The ocean is unpredictable. It tests your strength. It pushes your limits. But for those brave enough to launch, there's no greater journey. Every school year is like setting sail into the unknown, full of hope, full of purpose, and full of challenge. Our past voyages have netted great results. We are a 3-time A district, ranked top 5 in the state of Florida. And now, every single school in our district has earned an A or B grade. But the sea never rests, and neither do we. Every year, the tides shift. A new voyage begins, and the crew returns to port, ready to set sail once more. Our captains, principals, and school teams gathered to plan the voyage ahead. We welcomed new crew members, sharpened our skills, reviewed the maps. Then it was time to test our teamwork. Some teams soared, and others sank gloriously. We've weathered storms, we've steered through uncertainty, and still we rise. No matter your post on the crew, teacher, administrator, or support staff, it's time once again to raise the sails, to steer into the unknown with purpose and pride. So raise the sails and let's chart a course for greatness. This year, we set sail for students.